Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about a weekly prediction from 12th of April to 18th April 2021. You know very well my all prediction are based on your ascendant sign. Nothing to do with the zodiac sign or moon sign. Just keep your ascendant sign in your mind and listen my video. You will definitely get some information related to your ascendants, which type of events you will face from 12th of April to 18th April. So let's talk about Libra ascendants. Libra ascendants, your ascendant Lord Venus transit in this week in Aries sign in your 7th house. From 12th of April to 18th of April, as per moon position, Monday and Tuesday will be rewarding days for you. You will be blessed with a new partnership opportunity. If you're a businessman, this is the right time to invest your money, and you will be blessed with a lot of gains. Monday and Tuesday, your daily source of earning will rise. You will enjoy very good comforts and peace of mind. Your old investments will give you fruitful results. Monday and Tuesday, these 2 days, you will feel relaxed. You will enjoy a lot of gains. Health will be fine, and your self-respect will rise. Wednesday and Thursday, as per moon position, you need to be careful while make any promise to anyone. Don't show your ego or arrogance in front of anyone. But you will be blessed with a lot of business opportunities. If you are unemployed, you may get job. If you are willing to switch off your job, this is the right time. Wednesday and Thursday will be a wonderful day when you will get some email, or you may get some phone call for your interview at new company, or you may get promoted at your workplace. Your salary will rise. Wednesday and Thursday will be ultimate days in the terms of making money. If you are willing to invest your money in stock market, this is the ultimate time. If you're willing to start any business deal with partnership, this is the ultimate time. If you are unmarried, if you are in a living relationship or love relationship, this whole week your spouse or your loved one will give you very fantastic results. They will support you, they will help you a lot. Friday and Saturday, you will spend wonderful time with your family and friend, but your family atmosphere will be affected. You need to be careful while talking with your in-laws. If you are married, you need to be careful while talking with a spouse. Friday and Saturday will create some problem in your personal life. Professionally, you will be sky high. Professionally, you will be top. But your personal life will be a matter of concern. You need to give some respect to your spouse and in-laws if you are married. If you are in a relationship, you need to give respect to your loved one. Overall, this whole week brings a lot of positivity. Good gains are there. You will enjoy very good health. You will enjoy very good savings and source of funding. If you are willing to switch off your job, this is the ultimate time. But you need to give respect to your spouse and must read goddess, Lakshmi Chalisa every day morning, and must read Gayatri Mantra 108 times, 121 times, 151 times. More you chant this mantra, more you feel magic in your life. And must donate 800 gram rice, sugar or milk at any religious place on Friday. But overall, this week will be a lot of big events will happen related to your professional life. Now I'm going to talk about Scorpio ascendants. Scorpio ascendants from 12th April to 18th April. This whole week, you need to be careful while talking with elders at home. Don't show your ego or attitude. Drive carefully. Your health will be a matter of concern. Monday and Tuesday, you are not in a good comfort. You are not feeling relaxed. You may be a part of any problem, any arguments, any type of family dispute are there. Monday and Tuesday, if you are waiting for any type of increment, growth or promotion at your workplace, then nothing, you are not able to get positive results. So you have to wait and patience. Monday and Tuesday will be a struggling time. Nervous system related trouble will irritate you. Eyesight related trouble irritate you. You need to be careful. Your ascendant Lord started transit on in your 8th house from 14th April. Don't show your trust on stranger. If you are a researcher, yoga guru, teacher, if you are any type of professor, you may be blessed with the gains. If you're a businessman, your 10th house Lord also transit in your Aries sign in 6th house. You will definitely blessed with a big order from far away place from your land. If you are unemployed, you may get job after 14th April. But 12th of April, 13th April, you need to be careful while doing anything. Give some respect to your elder at home. Give some respect to your spouse. You need to be careful while driving. You need to be careful about your health. Don't eat oily food or junk food, because Mars transit in your 8th house, Ashtam Bhav, which is not a very fruitful transit for you. Wednesday and Thursday, you're feeling relaxed, better in the terms of finance, in the terms of order. If you're an importer exporter, you will definitely get order from far away place, because your 10th Lord transit in your 6th house, aspecting is on your 12th house. You will be blessed with the gains from far away country, from other country. Friday and Saturday, you will be bounced back. Money matters will be a better, but your health will be a matter of concern. A relationship with your younger brother will be a matter of concern. Don't show your ego attitude in front of anyone. You need to give some respect to everyone. You need to maintain a good balance between your personal life as well as your professional life. If you use good talks with your siblings, with your younger brothers or elder brothers, you will definitely be blessed with the gains through good fortune. Otherwise, you will be a part of any problem. You don't be a part of any arguments, litigations. Be humble, be polite. This is a bit struggling time in the terms of family front. Your spouse, relationship with your spouse will be a matter of concern. But overall, you must read Lord Hanuman Chalisa, must read Lord Shiv Chalisa, and read Shiv Chalisa every day morning, and read Lord Hanuman Chalisa every night before sleep, if you want to maintain a good relation in your profession and personal life as well as professional life. And you need to give respect to your spouse. Listen to your spouse properly. Overall, this whole week, one side, you will be blessed with a lot of orders from far away place. You will be blessed with a lot of source of earning far away place. And second side, you need to maintain balance between your siblings, your spouse, your elders at home. Now I'm going to talk about Sagittarius Ascenders. From 12th April to 18th April, you will be top. You will earn a lot of money Monday and Tuesday. You will get a lot of self-respect. Your old debts will be clear. If you're willing to apply your loan will be granted. You're feeling much relaxed, comfortable. Some short distance journeys will make you happy. You will earn a lot of money as per your investments. You will earn a lot of money from your old investments. There's a lot of friends or younger siblings will help you, because your Ascendant Lord transit in your 3rd house. Mars is also entering your 7th house. Your source of earning will develop, but you need to be careful while talking with your spouse or your loved one. Overall, Monday and Tuesday will be a rewarding days for you. You will be blessed with a good health. You will be blessed with a good source of earning. Wednesday and Thursday, you will again bounce back. You will earn some extra money beyond your expectation as a commission, as a brokerage, or if you have any type of shopkeeper, if you are any type of manufacturing unit, you will definitely be blessed with a big amount of money. This whole week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday will be a game changer time for you. You're feeling much relaxed and comfort. Your health will be fine. But Friday and Saturday, you need to be careful while signing any document. Don't show your trust on anyone. Don't give your money to anyone, otherwise you never get back. This whole time create a lot of problem, confusion of mind. Depression is there. You're not in a comfort zone Friday and Saturday. Think positive, plan big. You will definitely execute some business and you will be blessed with some unexpected money. Don't sit at your home. Perform your best. And you must talk with your customers or clients. You will definitely get good business on Friday and Saturday as well. But if you're thinking, then you will be a part of any depression. No need to think about anything. Just perform your best. Overall, this whole week brings a lot of good fame, respect, with a lot of money, and you will be blessed with some extra money, which will create you happy. Cash flow will make you happy. Your savings will rise. Now I'm going to talk about Capricorn Ascendants. Capricorn Ascendants from 12th April to 18th April. Mentally you are feeling much relaxed. Mentally you are feeling much comfort, especially on Monday and Tuesday. Your relationship with your spouse will be good, but you need to be careful while talking. Don't show your ego or attitude. Otherwise you will be a part of any problem. Capricorn, Financially, finances will be upgrade on Monday and Tuesday. You will enjoy all-round success. You will spend wonderful time with your colleagues at your workplace. Your seniors are satisfied from your performance. Good fortune is in your favor. Wednesday and Thursday, your savings will rise. You will enjoy very good health. If you have any type of health related issues, your issues will resolve. If you have any type of problem related to your personal life, your problem will resolve. You will enjoy all-round success. Capricorn, perform your best. If you want to invest your money anywhere, then Monday, Wednesday and Thursday will be a very promising days for you. Think big, plan big. You will definitely achieve lot of goals in this week. Must donate, black dal, 800 gram at any religious place on Saturday. Don't forget this remedy. Friday and Saturday will be a biggest game changer time. If you're a businessman, importer, exporter, you will be blessed with a lot of money. Some orders will make you happy. Some unexpected order and unexpected gains will make you happy. You will enjoy a lot of comforts, peace of mind, good health. All round success is there. Capricorn, perform your best. Must read Goddess Kali Chalisa every night and every morning before start your day and before go to sleep. Read Goddess Kali Chalisa. It will be it will give you very fruitful results. You're feeling much relaxed and comfort. Your marriage life will be wonderful. Now I'm going to talk about Aquarius Ascendants. Aquarius Ascendants, 12th April to 18th April, you will be blessed with a lot of gains. Monetary gains are there. Your health will fine. Relationship with the spouse will be ultimate. Monday and Tuesday, you will enjoy very good time with your spouse. You will enjoy very good time with your business partners. You will earn a lot of money from your old investment. If you are willing to invest your money in stock market, you will be blessed with a lot of gains. If you are already invested your money in stock market, you will be blessed with a lot of gains. Monday and Tuesday will be a game changer time for you. You become very spiritual. You feel to start some yoga or meditation automatically. Wednesday and Thursday, a biggest planet, Sun and Mars, it's change its sign in Aries. Sun enter in Aries and Mars enter in Gemini, and your personal life will be a better side. You will get a lot of partnership opportunities. Your source of earning will develop. Your daily income will rise. Aquarius, this is the ultimate time. If you want to invest your money in real estate or stock market, this is the ultimate time. But you once must consult with your nearest astrologer which type of dynamics you have. Otherwise, this whole week you will be blessed with a lot of gains, peace of mind. But Friday and Saturday, don't invest your money and try to use good words in front of your near and dear. Otherwise, due to your ego, due to your arrogance nature, you may lose some relationship, a precious relationship. Perform your best, put your energy. This whole week brings a lot of big change in your life. Your family will support you. Your father, your mother, your wife will support you. You will enjoy very good comforts. Your health will be fine. If you have any type of problem related to your health, Jupiter transit in your first house, you will feel very positive energy. And your all problem related to your health will resolve. I'm going to talk about Pisces Ascendants. This whole week, Monday and Tuesday, you need to be careful while spending your money. Some unexpected expenditures will irritate you. Your savings and your expenditures, you are not able to manage a balance between your savings and your expenditures. Monday and Tuesday, you may be a part of any problem or any litigation. Try to pay your bills and taxes on time. Don't make any false promise with anyone. Don't be a part of any litigation problem. If you are in a job, you need to put your energy or efforts at your workplace. Otherwise, your seniors are not satisfied from your performance. Wednesday and Thursday, Sun enter in Aries and Mars enter in Gemini sign. You will feel relaxed and better. Your targets will achieve. You will enjoy all-round success. You will enjoy good health. Your siblings will support you. Your younger or your elder siblings will support you. Pisces, perform your best. Do some religious activity. Must go for some charity on Thursday. Donate yellow chana dal, 800 gram at any religious place on Thursday. And must read this mantra, Om Gra Gri Gro Sah Guruaya Nama. Om Gra Gri Gro Sah Guruaya Nama. And must read Lord Hanuman Chalisa every night before sleep. Overall, this whole week you need to be careful. Monday and Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday will be a good days for you. Friday and Saturday you will enjoy very good orders. If you're a businessman, you will enjoy very good comforts and you will enjoy very good finances. This whole week will bring you mixed fruit for you. Monday and Tuesday, don't be a part of any problem or litigation. Don't sign any document. Just perform your best, put your energy. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday will be ultimate days for you, when you will blessed with unexpected gains. You will blessed with a lot of business opportunities. Your friends, your siblings will support you, and you will enjoy all around success. But you need to be careful while spending your money. Don't spend your money without any reason. I'm praying for your happy future. Thank you for watching my video. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, Jai Hind.